Did you know that fish are one of the most commonly kept pets in the world? Given that, you would think that because they are so popular, their care would be at a superior level. Wrong. Fish are one of the most abused pets in the world, and most of the time, it's happening right under the owner's nose. As a young child, many of you probably had a goldfish or a betta in a cute little bowl with SpongeBob decor, myself included, only to find that one day it's floating at the top of the tank, upside down. As children, we did not know the proper care required for fish because they are often seen as simple and easy. But research over the past 20 years reveals that fish are not only sentient, but can also feel a range of emotions. The prevailing notion that fish can't feel or suffer is scientifically outdated and morally bankrupt. Research has consistently shown that fish possess complex nervous systems and possess nociceptors, the sensory neuron that detects harm. They exhibit stress response, learn from experiences, and even display individual personalities. They are vertebrates, just like us, with intricate physiological systems designed for survival. When we keep fish in an environment that is too small, that has improper filtration, or that is biologically unstable, that fish is not just existing, it's suffering. It is experiencing chronic stress, physical discomfort, and a slow decline. Their world is a prison of our design. Bettas, one of the most commonly kept species of fish, are a great example of the unknown neglect that fish face in the pet industry. Pet stores such as Petco and PetSmart sell fish tanks that are plastic and unbelievably tiny, often having a clear plastic divider in the middle so that they can house two fish. Yet, with previous information given in my speech before, bettas are known to be aggressive and territorial, and placing them in a cramped environment with full view of each other leads to unwanted aggression and detrimental effects to their health. A betta's origin is from South Asia, and yes, they live in murky, shallow water, but it is not a cup with brightly colored decor. Instead, these fish enjoy a larger tank, just as any. And if we want our fish to be at their most active and brightly colored selves, we need to treat them with the care that mimics their environment as closely as possible. Fish are magnificent creatures that bless our world with their fantastic colors and behaviors never seen in any other animal. Now, I would like you all to imagine yourself in a 4x4 closet made of glass, confined to nothing but a small plant in the middle of the room. But the thing is, nobody outside can hear you, no matter how much you yell or wave at them. Unlike a dog you can walk or a cat you can play with, a fish cannot tell you what is wrong. Their environment is a delicate ecosystem. If the pH level is off by a fraction, it is like us breathing polluted air. If ammonia builds up from waste, it is literally poisoning them from the inside out. Imagine yourself again in that closet. Waste and uneaten food surrounding you, yet nobody can hear you call for help. Water temperature, oxygen levels, the presence of hiding spots, the correct diet, every single parameter is pivotal for their well-being. Compare your 4x4 closet to a large house with great food, a private room, and enrichment. It is so much better than a closet full of poison. Good fish care isn't about buying a SpongeBob figurine and some brightly colored gravel. It's about science, dedication, and active monitoring. Fish are not just a set down and forget animal. It's about cycling a tank before the fish arrives, ensuring the biological filtration is mature enough to handle their waste. It's about weekly water changes and constant testing. This level of dedication reveals the truth. Proper fish keeping is a complicated and demanding process. But there is an ultimate reward in fish keeping. It is subtle but profound. When you provide a fish with a pristine environment, watch them. You will see them thrive and interact with their environment like they would in the wild. Our casual attitude towards fish starts in the pet store. We see betta fish crammed into tiny cups the size of a coffee mug, gasping for air. Let us move beyond the myth of the disposable pet. Let us acknowledge that all creatures, no matter how small or silent, deserve our empathy and respect. Let us honor the silent world with compassionate, dedicated care. If you are considering to get a fish, stop. Think first. Are you ready for the commitment? Thank you.